Welcome to Mandator's How Do I series. How do I add a subcontractor to TMS Go? Firstly, you'll need to browse the menu to Suppliers as shown. Once in Suppliers, we'll need to go to the bottom left to Add. Firstly, we need to add a unique 6-character code. Then we fill in the remaining information. Please bear in mind, the more you put into the system, the more you will get out of it. Once you've completed the Details tab, you can move to the Contacts tab. Here you can add contacts for the various departments within the subcontractor's firm. Next we move to the Haulage tab. Mainly in here you need to make sure that you tick the box next to Subcontractor, as if you do not, it will not show in your subcontractor list. You also have the ability to add various license and insurance information, including expiry dates. And then finally we move to the Financial tab. Here we can set them as active, on refer or on stop. We can also add an account alias for your accounts package, and also VAT code and revenue analysis code. Once you've got them set, click on OK. That's the subcontractor added to your list. You can click on Cancel to close this box down, and that subcontractor is now available to use in the system. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.